Ready to dive into the digital battleground of cryptocurrency exchanges? Ever wondered where your hard-earned crypto is truly safest? Is it with the Wall Street veterans at Gemini or the pioneering powerhouse of Coinbase? In a world where digital assets are constantly under threat, the security of your chosen exchange isn't just a feature, it's a necessity. We're talking about the digital vaults that hold your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless altcoins. So, which one builds a stronger fortress, Gemini or Coinbase? Let's break it down. First, let's set the stage. Gemini and Coinbase are two of the most prominent names in the cryptocurrency exchange space, particularly for users in the United States. Both are regulated, have a strong emphasis on compliance, and cater to a wide range of users, from crypto newbies to seasoned traders. But when it comes to security, they each bring their own unique approaches and track records to the table. And in the volatile world of crypto, a track record is worth its weight in digital gold. We're going to examine this from multiple angles. We'll look at their core security infrastructure, the user-facing security features they offer, their regulatory compliance and insurance, and perhaps most importantly, their history of security incidents. Because, let's be honest, talk is cheap in the crypto world, actions and resilience speak volumes. The foundation, core security infrastructure. At the heart of any secure exchange lies its foundational security infrastructure. Both Gemini and Coinbase employ robust measures to protect user assets and data. A key element for both is cold storage. This means keeping the vast majority of customer funds offline, in hardware wallets or other secure environments not connected to the internet. This significantly reduces the risk of online hacks. Coinbase states that 98% of its customer funds are held in cold storage, and Gemini also holds the majority of customer assets offline. This is a critical best practice that both exchanges adhere to, and it's a non-negotiable for any reputable platform. Beyond cold storage, both exchanges utilize advanced encryption techniques. Sensitive user data, including personal information and financial details, is encrypted both in transit and at rest. This means that even if data were intercepted, it would be unreadable without the proper decryption keys. We're talking about AES 256 encryption, the same standard used by banks and governments. This isn't just about securing your funds, it's about safeguarding your identity. Then there's the internal security. Both companies conduct regular security audits by independent third parties. These audits scrutinize their systems, identify vulnerabilities, and ensure that their security protocols are up to scratch. Think of it like a recurring penetration test, designed to expose weaknesses before malicious actors can exploit them. They also have restricted employee access to customer data, with stringent background checks and role-based permissions, limiting who can access what information. This minimizes the risk of insider threats, a surprisingly common vector for breaches in any industry. User-facing security features, your personal fortress. While the exchange's internal security is paramount, what about the tools you have at your disposal to protect your account? This is where your active participation becomes crucial. Both Gemini and Coinbase offer a suite of user-facing security features designed to empower you. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a standard and mandatory feature on both platforms. This adds an essential layer of security beyond just your password. When you log in or initiate a withdrawal, you'll need a second verification code from your phone, email, or an authenticator app. While SMS-based 2FA is an option, both exchanges, and indeed all security experts, strongly recommend using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or even a hardware security key like a YubiKey, for superior protection against SIM swapping attacks. Address whitelisting is another powerful feature available on both. This allows you to pre-approve specific cryptocurrency wallet addresses for withdrawals. Once activated, funds can only be sent to these whitelist addresses. Any attempt to add a new address typically triggers a waiting period, often 24 to 48 hours, giving you time to detect and cancel any unauthorized activity. This acts as a crucial barrier against attackers who might gain access to your account and try to drain your funds. Biometric security options are also common, especially on their mobile applications. This includes fingerprint and facial recognition, providing a convenient yet secure way to access your account or authorize transactions. It streamlines the login process while still maintaining a high level of security. Coinbase also offers a feature called Coinbase Vault for long-term storage, which requires multiple approvals, 2, 3, or even 5 approvers, and a mandatory 48-hour delay before withdrawal processing. This is an excellent option for those holding significant amounts of crypto who want an extra layer of protection, even from themselves. Recently, Coinbase has also introduced trusted contacts for account recovery, allowing you to designate individuals who must approve any account recovery requests. This adds a decentralized layer of trust to the recovery process. They also use session monitoring, enabling you to see all active logins to your account and revoke unauthorized access. Regulatory compliance and insurance, a safety net? This is where things get interesting, and where both exchanges have faced scrutiny, albeit for different reasons. Both Gemini and Coinbase are known for their strong commitment to regulatory compliance. Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, has historically emphasized its focus on being a regulated and compliant exchange, operating under a New York trust charter and holding licenses in various jurisdictions. Coinbase, being a publicly traded company, also has a significant focus on compliance, holding licenses across numerous regions globally. Their adherence to Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations is stringent, which, while sometimes inconvenient for users, adds a layer of protection against illicit activities. When it comes to insurance, both platforms offer some level of coverage, but it's crucial to understand the nuances. Coinbase provides FDIC insurance for USD balances held in customer accounts up to $250,000. This is specifically for fiat currency, not for cryptocurrency. For crypto, Coinbase has a crime insurance policy that protects a portion of customer assets held in hot wallets against theft resulting from security breaches of Coinbase's physical or cybersecurity systems. It's important to note this doesn't cover losses due to user-side negligence, like falling for a phishing scam or having your personal device compromised. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.